Service! 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 Nice try. Yours. Oh, sorry. Nice try. Oh, that was a good serve from him. A nice shot. Come over here, like this way. Over here. This way. Over! Nice! Come on, you got this. Beautiful. Nice. Over. Yeah. Nice serve. No, it was so close. I'm slamming it. You had such beautiful form and then just... It got caught on my wrist.
You are a very tall midget. That was fun.
Beach air volleyball is so beautiful. Beautiful. I don't know the rules well enough to say who's like that is. Let me get that high angle. I'm gonna get that real high angle. Keep it going. 18 serving 17. That's actually pretty close. Let's go. We're gonna win the first game before I even get on. There? Yeah! 20 serving 17. We got this.
My position is really bad, so I keep thinking I'm like that way.
Don't hurt me no more. Yeah! 22 serving 7. I'm not getting back on this game, but we're winning. Serving 17. Let's go, take it home. Wrong. Give me a sign. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. Yeah! Game point. Beautiful serves.
Yeah, I did.
So that's it, right? First to win one wins, right?
First to two.
First to one wins, right?
No.
I'm an arts. I can't count that high.
It doesn't matter. If you want to play, get on. If you want to rest, come off.
Okay.
Do you want to play?
I'll play.
Okay.
Oh, I'm immediately about to get off anyways. Holy! Here we go. We're gonna eat before the food's gone. 6 serving 0. Over! Nice. Yours. We gotta give him one. Yours. Oh, nice try. Beautiful.
Are you a leftover right crapper or right over left?
I'm gonna blow both of your minds.
Just in the middle. You just like sealed.
No, I interlock it and then I.
So you're a Minecraft plopper, not a Minecraft, Lego plopper.
Yes. Do you mind if I swap a few so that way I can receive his beautiful sets? Because I'm not gonna lie, I would have you set me, but your sets are kind of just like a.
And then you immediately do your own fuck up afterwards.
The thing is, though, is my spatial differences are a bit fucked. So a lot of times I just set her down. Or you just do a ballerina.
See, no, but that's the best thing, is that if you just put it up high, then I have time to be like, all right, that's where I'm gonna put it, and then slam down. What I don't like is when people set it to like below the net height, and they're like, huh, why did You got that. Oh, shit!
Don't take the whole plate now.
I'm sorry, I'm big.
Call me King Kong.
The ball is this
climbing that
size,
shit.
not that sized. Oh, it's McQueen, right?
Sorry?
McQueen, right?
Yep.
All right.
Like the car.
Ciao.
The chigga.
Whoa.
Harder. There's no R in Kachiga.
You're on.
Oh, my body.
Over. Nice try.
How's that funny go for the block? You're either like right behind them like that, or you can catch the ball.
Oh my god!
What a stand.
Oh. Nice try. I don't like this anymore.
Oh, that's a fucking great song.
I've returned.
All right. Go ahead. All right, let's go ahead. Are you set it? Are you set it?
Come on, come on. Yes! Beautiful set. Woo!
Let's go, Capi.
You want to set? You want to set?
You know, you might be wandering, but your shots sir aren't.
No, it's because this is my 4th squadron.
How the fuck?
I'm a wanderer.
Nice try. Good dive? Yeah, that's the right word. We'll take it.
I love doing that.
You just gotta be that guy, don't you? Beautiful. Nice try.
No fair. It was good.
You guys are coming straight out of one of those like workplace harassment modules that we have to do.
Don't worry.
Over! Oh. Let's do this! Service! Yes!
Thanks for covering me.
My pleasure. Service!
You didn't delete that footage, right?
Yeah, that didn't happen. I'm gonna definitely kind of intrude in here.
No, you're fine.
Nice try. You got this. Oh no, my shoe came untied. Oh well. I'm in the back.
Tu es très fort.
It's fine.
Yeah, but I prefer.
Nice. Beautiful. Nice. Yes! Yes! That was a great kick.
Almost walk ball at first.
Beautiful. It's all right. Even if we lose a point, we're being chilling. What are we at? Only 20?
And you.
Oh wait, we're green.
No, we're green. And you.
Okay, that's where I was confused at. That was ours.
That was good. Yeah.
That was good.
Bring us home.
Let's go.
Match point.
Not game point. Set point.
Bring us home.
RMC point. That's share point. Good job, guys. Beautiful serves.
Yeah, thank you. Okay. You played for fun. Yeah.
Good job. Good job. Good job. Why are you over there? Good job. Wait, we're playing again?
Yeah, I think so.
We're playing again?
We're switching sides.
Oh. Good game.
Are we playing
Good game?
Yeah, we're playing one more.
Oh, sorry. Good game.